next to you by the TV because there's some awesome video coming up. It just so happens that a tornado, a small one, blew right by a security camera. We got the video. Is everybody in here? Check this out. 24 hours ago. There's your tornado. And look what happens to those cars. Do you want to be in a car when strong winds come by? No way. Look at that. Just seconds. It just took seconds. Leighton, Alabama, just west of Huntsville, and there's the funnel cloud. Now here's a look at the radar 24 hours ago in Alabama. Right there was a tornado watch in effect. There were tornado warnings up here in northern Alabama. Well, the thunderstorms weakened as they moved to Atlanta, moved on by, had some severe weather in North Carolina this morning, and now that's it for the time being. The sun has come out and the atmosphere has pretty much not changed. It's warm, it's humid, it's unstable, and we're waiting for that next little trigger to set off some more thunderstorms. Well, it's up in the lower Ohio River Valley right now. 82 Charlotte, near 80 in Memphis, near 90 here in Texas. Plus the moisture, and we measure it by dew point temperature. If it's in the 60s, that's the kind of moisture level that makes you feel uncomfortable, especially upper 60s and low 70s. That's uncomfortable. And it's also the kind of moisture, you know, moist air loves to rise. Moist air, believe it or not, is lighter, molecularly speaking, it's lighter in weight than dry air. Warm air is lighter in weight than cold air. So if it's warm and it's humid, you got air that wants to go. Well, you bring some colder air in aloft, and that warm air could really zing. You could get some fast updrafts, thunderstorms with large hail. Well, we could see that in an isolated fashion later on this afternoon. Back here and spreading east-southeast toward Huntsville, Alabama. Could it be 2 days in a row? No. Not the same security camera. That would be like, I don't know what. That would be unbelievable. But there's a front that sits right in there, dividing light, converging winds, area of low pressure right here, an upper level disturbance is swinging through Illinois right now with a tail back here. That could help set off the thunderstorms. Now, yesterday's severe weather maker is in the northeast. Fortunately, we didn't get any severe weather, but oh, the rain, oi gewalt. I needed this like a Luchen cup, I'll tell you, just like a hole in the head. We got by without rain here in Boston this morning's rush hour, but we won't for afternoon's rush hour. And what a sloppy mess on the beautiful Merritt Parkway in Connecticut. I love that road. But today, it's about 50, it's breezy, it's raining nonstop. Back toward Beacon, New York, down into New York City, the Poconos, Philadelphia still with the rain, and a couple of thunder showers out there, one near Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Ugh, what a mess. And I'll tell you, Mother Nature ain't done with us, because this area of low pressure, as we switch sources, zings out. We'll have a wet morning here in Boston, cloudy for the most part, Washington, D.C., but some sun in New York and Hartford. We'll have some sun. Sunday, we'll start off with some sun too, but then here comes the next storm out of the Rockies. And this one promises to give us the same treatment. The severe weather on the south side of it and the heavy rain through the Ohio Valley into the northeast Sunday night and Monday. So, you know, we're just kind of stuck in a pattern. We're in one of those patterns. Here we go, my friend. Saturday, the heavy rain leaving southern New England. Scattered showers in here. Otherwise, some sun. We'll kind of keep our fingers crossed for that. It should be dry in New York City through Sunday. So we'll actually have a pretty decent weekend. Maybe not as bright and warm as you would like. Here's a look at our high temperature. 71. Oh, that'd be great. 60 though in Boston. 62 in Pittsburgh as that rain develops on Sunday and lasts all day long. Then your severe weather here in the lower Mississippi River Valley. And back into Arkansas, too. Boy, have we gotten enough rain this spring. Holy smokes. On Saturday, those thunderstorms rumble eastward toward Atlanta, Macon, Savannah, Columbus, Charleston, Wilmington, and more thunderstorms here in Florida as we dry out and cool off a skosh here in Texas. Wet weather here as that storm moves out of the Rocky Mountains. Thunderstorms, Yankton and right down Interstate 29. Chicago will be dry on Saturday, but not on Sunday as that storm gets a little closer to us. And then the big bomb of a storm for next week. Where is it? It is out here. I'll have more details on that in your extended outlook after your local on the 8s.